Hello, Star Wars fans! Alrighty, this week we have issue 18 of Star Wars Build Your Own X-Wing. And if you're wondering why I'm wearing rubber gloves, you will see in just a moment. Alright, so the articles inside here are creating a Starship Fleet, Special Editions, Starfighter Aces, Anakin Skywalker from the Clone Wars series. Alright, and then they have the original VHS tapes right here pictured, because that's what we had when the original Special Editions came out. Yes, all you young people. Movies used to be on film, and that is 35mm camera film, or video film, as they would have called it, or movie film. So, retro. And just a couple of scenes from Clone Wars series right there. And if you have noticed, yes, we only have two parts for this issue. We have the clear cockpit window parts. This is why I am wearing the rubber gloves. I do not want to get fingerprints on them. So this whole thing is just 5 steps, so it's going to be a nice and fast issue. So here we go. Let's see if I have enough space to cut a big enough slit in this plastic here. Alright. Alright, so there's the back piece. And the front piece. Alright. So, Canopy glazing panels. The two components provided this time are the forward and rear glazing panels, which simply clip inside the front and rear section of the cockpit canopy that you received with your first issue. Alrighty. Fitting the glazing. The two molded sections simply snap into the cockpit canopy where they are held by small locating pins. Handle them carefully and do not apply undue force, which could crack the thin material. Okay. So, step 1. Take the cockpit canopy from stage 1 together with the forward glazing panels. Okay, and here's the canopy. Step 2. Gently spring the sides of the glazing between the side frames of the canopy and press the small holes onto the locating pins. Okay. So, gently squeeze. Just gently squeeze. Okay, even though I didn't actually have to gently squeeze because, yeah. Seems that the canopy is a little wide, so I didn't have to squeeze at all. If you look at that. Okay. Step 3. Make sure the pins in all 4 corners fit onto the holes. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Right there. Okay, yep, they all do. Oh, but it doesn't say push onto them, does it? No. Okay, that side's in. Okay. Okay, that one's in. Okay, they all seem to be on. Well, of course, this one's not as far up as I would like, but it should still be good. Okay, so that's in. Alright, and you notice, yes, this is wider than the window sections here. Hopefully there's something that actually ends up fixing that at some point. Because, you know, obviously the instructions said to push the window or squeeze the window in a little bit to actually get it inside, to fit inside here. So, yeah. Okay. Step 4. Take the rear glazing panels, fit it in a similar way. Okay. And this was also just a tad bit wider than right here. Just like in the front, just a tad bit wider. Okay. Press the cutouts over the 2 hinges, which, if you'll see, they are over the 2 hinges right there. Alright. Okay, with the holes over the locating pins, which is what we've done. Okay, now this is going to be a little difficult to push this in. Alright, okay, that side's in. Okay, that side's in. Okay, that side's in. Okay, and as you can see, once again, there's a slight gap on one side. So, but I guess the back part doesn't matter, because when okay, there we go. Because when the back of the canopy gets tabbed into place, it is going to squeeze that part together. It's just the front I'm kind of worried about. Okay. So, and you notice it still opens and closes perfectly fine. Alright, so that completes the canopy assembly. Wipe off any finger marks and store it safely until it is time to fit it to the fuselage. Alright, so all done. Quick issue. Okay, so if anybody's wondering why you got 2 of the Star Wars X-Wing builds this week, it is because I'm currently actually camping. So yes, I took a vacation and I am out camping with my kids. So this is why you got issue 16 and issue 17. Oh, I shouldn't say I'm currently out camping. By the time you see this video, I'll actually be back from camping. So yeah, that's the reason why you got issues 16 and 17 all in the same week is because I was out camping, and this, obviously, I uploaded as soon as I came back, so that's the reason why. So, I mean, I know it puts this probably a week in advance. So, well, actually, no, not really, because there will be a whole week where I don't upload, where I didn't put the video out. So, it won't actually be in advance. It's, I don't know. It is what it is. I don't even, you know, just trying to explain it a little bit, you probably already understand. Okay, so, until the next issue of the Build Your Own Star Wars X-Wing, or until the next issue of Build Your Own R2-D2, or until the next Transformers video, thanks for watching.